Can you put that up against the facing the wall so nobody trips over it, please? Up there. Thank you.
Which one is the
This is 8 for employees only. Doors in the back are gonna open. This is 8 for employees only. E1's on 8 going down.
Can we take this back up at the end of the game to get our car?
Yes.
Going down?
Going down. Hi. Yeah, how are you? Hi, everybody. This will be level 7 reserve. Our S on your tickets, level 7 reserve.
My name is and that's when she said she was down in the field, but she went to the field. So they don't have a park down from there. They don't have it yet, but they have like.
We can go down to fly from here.
No, one more down. This is Cub Suite level. Last stop, escalators are to your left, 2 down for field and 1 down for low. Yes, we're gonna take it 2 down. Can I have you guys step off and then come right back in after everybody exits? Oh, Rochelle, you're in here. I need to see you before I take you down. Yeah, step off right here, and then this is my last stop. Escalators are to your left. 2 down for field and 1 down for low.
And then because we weren't planning it, I was like, I mean, I get it. Like, if you're using it.
This one got new cabs. Last year was old. There's 2 indicators here.
Let's go Dodgers. Let's go Warriors.
You forget?
Oh, they found it, yeah. It took me a little while, but.
Where did you get it?
Oh, it's down here, just down here, lot right here.
Oh, taqueria?
Taqueria.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, fan feed.
Fan Fest.
Oh, Fan Fest.
Yeah.
This is the 8th floor, employees and first aid only. 8th floor, employees only.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
I mean, I applied here not too long ago. Nah, just kidding.
Hey, what is the for? Just for doing in there.
This is my second time coming to this stadium.
Ooh.
Last year was my first time here, and the other was older, right?
There you go. Right.
They changed it after a year
Yes.
later. Why?
Yeah.
What happened to the old one?
What do you mean what happened? It was old, no air conditioning, no nothing.
Oh, now there's AC here.
Hell yeah. I don't feel it,
This
but
is
yeah.
top deck, 9th floor.
Right here.
Yeah, it's so good. AC, that's good. AC in here.